96 into Minecraft. And I also added a bunch of animals into this game. Like, yes, as I was saying, I added a bunch of animals into this game. Just like this deer that is fragile. Not fragile, just scared. Definitely, just scared. It's not because I killed one of them. By the way, this is huge. And why am I supposed? I'm supposed to be. I added whale, sharks, and even crocodiles in this mod. So let's start because this is not going to be fun. There's a lot of animals catching me, like a bear. There's even a Bigfoot and a Yeti. I'll be finding all of them. So let's see. Oh my gosh. I just found whoa. Damn! Oh my. Oh. Hello. So today maybe ano ba? Ba? Lang eh. So I just kailangan ka ng food guys kaya ano. Woo! Ito. Ito mga grain na to. Stony ano? Stony dirt. Stony dirt. Talaga makal. Ano ko ba kailangan nyo? Para sa pagkain. Di ko talaga kailangan ng baka ngayon. Hindi pa ako hungry. Since I added SCP-096, so let's see. This monster is going to be terrifying. So, let's see. So let's see what can we create possibly. And also actually I think I think the textures are not holding on because what is that? Secretary blocks. So yeah, ano tingin mo? What is that? Eagle! Yan, eagle o ano? Seagull? Eagle attack yan. Eagle attack. Eagle attack! Eagle ba yan o ano? Seagull? Is that a seagull? I think that's a seagull. Yeah, that's a seagull. Because it's near the beach, so that's... Okay, so today we are going to experience the wrath of SCP-096, also known as Shy Guy. Let's see. Ayun ba yung sasabihin ni ate? Oo. Ayun sasabihin. Paano pala yung sasabihin niya? So perfect. Since it's kind of soft. Shower. This is cool. This is the cool small, but I don't think SCP-096 is supposed.
Pagpuputin sa katawan, lagay mo yan dito. Nahiga natin, hiwalay niyo.
Where's the normal oak trees? I'm supposed to find them. Wala na. Okay. Papakainin kita if you feed to ikaw. Ay! Naman! Oh! Sanay ka. There we go. Oh, tree. Normal. Ay! Nabasa na ako! Okay, so, oh, shoot. I'm hungry. Didn't even realize.
Hala, hindi mo ako abot.
Please.
Hala ko pa.
No, no, no! No! Whoa, this is so forest. This is like a forest. Like, this is forest like.
Shower daw. Shower daw sabi.
Or, this is like a forest. Like, just oh, food and bed. I need food and bed.
Saan yan?
Food and bed. Yum. Finally, I can sprint again. Also, I need meat. Lots of meat. Your meat is mine. Your meat is mine.
Ulit talaga.
Why is there so many baby pigs? Woo! Oh. This is nice and cold. There we go. And
Ulitin mo. Diaper.
Saan?
Hindi. Hindi na sa isa.
almost died. Almost died there, buddy. Oh, little piggy. First task, build a boat. Magpapa-ulala. Magpapa-ulala sa giling mo.
Boom, chick. Ano yan? Ba't iba yan? Magkaiba oh.
Bakit?
Magkaiba oh. Yung ano, pagkain. Yung isa green. Tapos dalawang normal.
Siyempre, nag-record ako, kaya may green.
Nga pala, nakalimutan ko.
So, let's go. Tiki, 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 boom, tiki, 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 boom.
Lala.
You know what? I would make a fishing rod for a fish.
Boom, chiki, 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 boom, chiki, 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 boom, chiki, chiki. Boom, 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 boom.
Here, and I'm literally one heart, so I need to be careful. This is literally fun! Awawi.
Try mo, papa.
I'm not Zuri, okay? I'm not Zuri. Okay. Since it's nighttime, I should be safe if I got
Nasa ko na.
in the ocean, right?
Nasa ko na.
There we go. Dolphin! Dolphin! Let's go, dolphin! Dolphin!
Siya.
Dolphin! May dolphin! Oy!
Ay, gago.
Ano ba yung kagaling ng isla?
Yung mga bata na to, titigas ng ulo. Tingnan ko na.
Boom. Ayaw pa talaga kanila. Ayaw pa talaga eh. Kahit napalo na eh. Ayaw pa talaga eh.
Try mo. Siya umiyak, siya iiwan. Umiyak yung babae, tapos siya ang iiwan. Yung babae, try mo pa. Yung lalaki iiwan yung babae.